live game. Unfortunately, the weather for it is forecast to be less than ideal. We are expecting intermittent spells of heavy rain, which just might impact on the quality of the football. I don't think it's going to be sufficient to prevent the football from being played, nor indeed has it deterred the many, many fans who are in here and already generating a terrific atmosphere ahead of the game, which kicks off any moment. So what a stage for the players to take to here ahead of such an important game. Mouth-watering game this between two very high-quality sides. A treat for everybody here.
Well, on the face of it, Peter, we would appear to have a high-caliber meeting with very little at stake. But then you consider a chance for one or two of the fringe players to get a look in, and this becomes a big incentive. It changes the dynamic. So there's plenty at stake for them, which will do no harm to the energy levels and the overall conviction, and hopefully the style of contest.
If you did just miss it, we are up and running already. Who do you reckon is pivotal?
I'm going to go for the Slovakian Hamšík. Easily one of the more productive, creative players on show, and likely to be at the moment of Wolves' attack. He's a scorer of important goals too. I hope he doesn't let me down by having that big
Gets his head to it! Oh, just couldn't turn it in.
Napoli can defend those situations better by stopping the crosser in source.
Gulam. Mertens. Out to the left it goes. Now it's Insigne. Gulam. Insigne. Lingard. He's gone away. Lingard. He shrugged off the ball. Kayahon. And it's Lukaku. Decent looking ball. Now it's Pogba. Koulibaly knocks it away. Matic. And the Herrera. Kayahon. Mertens. Lorenzo Insigne. And it's Lingard. Now it's Lukaku. Kayahon. Good energy in defence as well.
Well, they say that your front lads should be that first line of stopping the opposition, and I think he's taken it to another level.
Got a shot away! Good stop. That wasn't easy.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
That's clever movement up front.
Yeah, they're playing with a false nine, and no one's really holding a fixed position up there.
How does that work?
Well, I think it's an attempt to just confuse this defence with constant interchange and movement.
Lukaku. Kicked it out wide. And the Herrera. It'll be a throw-in. Very well to intervene. Pogba. Now it's Lukaku.